Hey, what's up, Brent with Brenspeed? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday, and what a beautiful looking 06 Saleen I have for you today. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. We did our stage 3 upgrade, a set of Detroit rocker cams. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us up to date. Of course, Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. All right, before we watch a dyno pull, we're gonna go over what is a stage 3 upgrade. If you already have a Saleen, it's a Saleen Series 6 Supercharger. Doug, come down here and take a look. So this is a 2.3 liter supercharger. Now I'm gonna tell you, if you don't have one, they are discontinued. They are no longer available. But if you already have this on a Saleen Mustang, or maybe you have a GT, and someone put this on back in the day in the aftermarket, our stage 3 upgrade, you get the JLT air induction system. We have a choice of injectors. So if you already have blue fuel injectors on your Saleen, those will work. If not, you have black, they're too small. We'll supply you 47-pound fuel injectors. Get a fuel pump upgrade, colder spark plugs, proper tune, and smaller pulley. So stock, these are right around 5-6 pounds of boost. With our 3-4 pulley, it's gonna bump you up to about 9. Stock manifolds, stock cats on this car, but our Detroit rocker cams. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. 93 octane, manual transmission, Dynojet SAE, smoothing 5, 470 raw horsepower, peaking at just under 6,800 RPM. Torque comes in 421. I love that, peaking at 4,600 RPM. And this is our boost down here. We're hitting 9 pounds, right at about 6,800 RPM. So there you have it. That's our stage 3 upgrade on a beautiful low mile. This only has like 29,000 miles. Think about this. This car's an 06, 29,000. I also noticed the bumper number. Doug, come down here and take a look. 1539. Boy, back in the day, Saleen made a lot of cars. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. I will put a link at the end of this video of other 3-valve supercharged Mustang videos. We do have superchargers available for these that you can still get. Of course, that Saleen is something you can't get anymore. You can email quote@brenspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? You know, if you want an upgrade or maybe you want a different supercharger, we're located in Indiana. Again, comment, subscribe, notify us if to date. Open the description. I'll put links to these parts. Thanks for watching.